Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the left front surface burner valve in your double oven gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Lift off both grates. Pull off the 5 control knobs. Open the upper oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 lower screws, securing the manifold panel. Next, unthread the 2 upper screws securing the panel. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift off the panel. Use an adjustable wrench to unthread the nut to release the gas supply tube from the manifold. Use the Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the front screws securing the cooktop. Lift the cooktop assembly up and support it. Remove the spark switch from the burner valve. Use a 1/2-inch wrench to unthread the nut to release the gas supply tube from the valve. Unthread the screw to detach the clamping bracket, and you can remove the old burner valve. Install the new surface burner valve by aligning it on the manifold, then position the clamping bracket and thread the screw to secure. Insert the gas supply tube and thread the nut. Be careful not to damage the tube by over-tightening the nut. Align the spark switch and snap it into place on the valve. Remove the support and lower the cooktop assembly. Thread and tighten the 2 front screws. Insert the gas supply tube into the manifold and thread the nut. Again, avoid over-tightening the nut. Realign the manifold panel on the support brackets. Thread and tighten the upper and lower screws to secure. Replace the control knobs on the valve stems. Reposition the grates. Turn the gas supply back on and plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply. It's a good idea to make sure the flame height is properly adjusted after installing a new burner valve. You can do this on any of the valves by setting the burner too low, then remove the control knob and secure the burner valve stem with a pair of pliers. Using a 1/8-inch non-flared flathead screwdriver, rotate the adjustment screw inside the stem clockwise to decrease the flame height, and counterclockwise to increase the height of the flame. With the flame properly adjusted, the gas range should be ready for use.